Here's how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can remove sound from a video in CapCut. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up CapCut and put the video in the, you remove the sound from. So let me just quickly skip this ad. And yeah, here we are. So let me just show you the audio. And yeah, here as you can see, I don't want the video audio in my video, so I'm just gonna remove the sound from it by just simply tapping on the video on the timeline and then just swiping down till I see the option of volume right over here as it says volume. Just gonna press on that and lower it to 0. So if I play the video, here as you can see, there is no sound. And yeah, this is actually it on how you can remove sound from a video in CapCut. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.